and this is Uptown Swing Level 3. It's Connection Month, otherwise known as Making It Feel Good Month. Right? That's all it is. We just gotta make it feel good. So we did a lot of exercises. We're gonna do a lot of exercises this month. But we start here. Well, let's talk about where our arms are gonna go. Your little exercise.
We didn't start with that.
What do we start with?
Walking in the park.
Oh, walking in the park. Okay. So just like you're walking in the park, right? We all know how to do this. But if you notice, when I'm
Without
walking,
making it weird.
yeah, I'm not guiding with my hand like this. It's natural. It feels good, right? We want it to feel like that. Very natural. We want it to feel good.
Now this.
Okay. Let me see.
Oh.
Arms up and to the side, and we bring them in front of our bodies.
Not weird like that. Not weird like that. Over here.
Okay. And we do that with each other. And then we just started with the leaders moving forward, or moving backwards, I apologize. Moving backwards, here we go. Moving backwards, and the followers is going right along with the leader. So if we also did exercise where it was really, really loose, and we disengaged our shoulders, it feels like jump, and then we tighten it up a little bit. We can achieve it, but it doesn't feel good, right? And then we added some swivels to it, right? So the followers want swivel, 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 swivel. We did that for a while. Leaders on our 7 and 8, we're gonna go backwards. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, right? We did that a bunch of times, and then we put that into a swing circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We added that little send out at the end of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So one more time, make it look and feel really good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Triple step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. One thing we want to notice on that send out at the end of it is we're not pushing the follower back into that rock step. We're not strong arming it. We're just allowing that arm to open up, choosing that sideways rock, step, and nice and loosey-goosey. Triple it out there. Yeah? And that's what we did.